At this time of year, dark mornings and dark evenings make driving much more challenging, so you need to be able to rely on your car more than at any other time of the year. Frost and snow add to the risk as you drive, so get your tyres checked to ensure they are safe in all weather conditions. If you're not completely sure your tyres are right, then we'll check them for you completely free of charge. It could save your life. Your brakes are also critical to your safety. Both the brake pads and the brake fluid need to be checked regularly. If your car is in need of a service, you could be in for a nasty surprise when you least want it. Get your car serviced now to ensure your car is reliable when you need it to be. Don't trust your car to just any garage. Get advice you can trust from expert professionals. At Harper Motors, we have advanced diagnostic equipment, allowing us to fully test, diagnose, repair, and configure your VW, Audi, Skoda, and Seat car. With over 30 years of experience and by keeping overheads down, we focus on the best service at the best price to you. Harper Motors, cutting the cost of motoring.